the foundation for convenient life and the developments of industries and nations. The establishment of the power transmission line for the efficient and stable supply of energy is the key factor to determine the future of a nation. SsangYong E&C has made great achievements in the area of power transmission line and construction. 345 kV Yonghun Power Transmission Line, the world's first marine transmission line construction work, won the Edison Award. 345 kV Shin Ansung to Shin Yongin Power Transmission Line. The 4 conductors and 4 lines method was used for the first time in Korea. Also, mechanical assembly was applied to angle-type transmission tower. 345 kV Shin Yangyang Power Transmission Line adopted zero vibration excavation for the first time in Korea, developed by the ECW SG method. 365 kV Shin Taebaek Power Transmission Line has innovated new technologies for extreme high voltage transmission line in Korea by applying appropriate construction methods and improving equipment functions. 365 kV Ulchin to Shin Taebaek Power Transmission Line. The high tension fiber rope protective net installation method was recognized as a new technology. SsangYong E&C has always been working with the remarkable development of transmission line technology. In addition, supply and installation works of power supply system for Junla train, Suncheon to Yosu, which supplies electricity to terminals, tunnels, and facilities in order to transport logistics at the National Industrial Complex. Supply and installation works of power distribution system for Koyang Samsung Residential Complex as undergrounding construction was performed by based on EPC on the construction design stage. The construction of 745 kV Shin Taebaek transmission line was adapted after Japan, Canada, and the US was very significant of the national power system. Essentially, a small problem can lead to huge impact on the nation's basic industries. Therefore, SsangYong E&C conducts the comprehensive review of the existing methods and equipment performances with the name of zero defects. In addition, the company approves the specification of drums and the standing machines used for construction work on minimized wire tangle. To maintain the balance of the stranding speed, it develops the stranding machine with speed adjustment function. Stranding time was reduced by 30% by conducting the stranding work with 9mm wire instead of nylon rope. Essentially, Shin Taebaek transmission line construction site is writing a new history for Korea's transmission line construction by adopting new equipments and applying new methods to the whole process from basic work to stranding work. Based on the success of the Shin Taebaek line construction, SsangYong E&C started new journey to construct world's first marine transmission line. The Yonghun transmission line became a legend of the sea and was constructed overcoming many challenges such as sea depth, soft ground, continuous waves and wind. A total of 82 steel tube towers, 51 units for the marine area and 31 units for the land area. The total length is 36.371 kilometers from Yonghun-do Thermal Power Plant to Shin Sehung Substation. Answer for the marine construction, foundation work was important that the work had to be done in the sea with a depth of to 40 meters. For the marine work, jacket pile and steel pile foundation work method was applied to hold piles deep inside rock layer under the sea. In particular, the company could shorten the construction period and secure quality by making a separated guide frame to drive 6 piles at a time. We assembled steel tower temporarily on the ground, and it took to the marine area to reduce the work on the marine tower. That's shortening the construction period by 2 months. We adopted 1 line, 4 sets method for stranding work for the first time, secured safety and reduced construction costs. In addition, we developed a stranding transformer, which can be moved from left to right according to the revolving direction of the lines in order to minimize damage on lines. By adopting the method to reduce the line movement on the tower from 2 to 1, we could shorten the construction period by 3 months. The Yeonghung-do construction site, which minimized the work high above the ground, reduces the risk of falling, results in great achievements, 0 falling accidents, and 0 disasters of 1 million hours for the first time in transmission line construction history. As Sangyang E&C completed the world-first marine tower project successfully, due to the development of new methods and application of new technology, while considering the characteristic marine construction's work, the company contributed to Korea Electric Power Corporation winning the Edison Award, which is the Nobel Prize in the electric sector. Power supply system construction for Jeonla Train Suncheon to Yeosu started with the double-track railway plan of Jeonla Train, which supports the development of the National Industrial Complex and the 2012 Yeosu Expo. It started at 29th December for 2008 for 41 months. Sangyang E&C performed electrical constructions on establishing 4 terminals at Yulcheon, Dokyeon, Yeocheon, and Yeosu, respectively. Moreover, also performed 32.4-kilometer power distribution line and electrical tunnel construction. This project includes not only power supply system construction, but it also contains signal and telecommunication system construction. Sangyang E&C successfully completed this project and contributed the financial development of the local area. Power distribution system construction for Goyang Samsung District is underground power distribution facilities, which was considered power distribution with safety, economical efficiency, and the environment based on EPC. The construction used 389 kilometers of high voltage cable and 290 kilometers of low voltage cable for installing. Tree retardant type cable is applied to outdoor underground pipeline section prepared for inundation, and flame retardant cable is used in total length 850 kilometers of underground power cable tunnel to minimize the damage caused by fire. We have installed 214 remote control switches, 69 panel boards, and 156 pad-mounted transformers. Moreover, we have carried out various connectors and joints and installed fiber optic cable and distribution automation termination device, also built and connected GIS system in substation. The distribution automation system is able to remote monitoring and control, so it can respond immediately on any emergencies. Sangyang E&C will accurately estimate power demand for the supply-developed residential area to build optimum electrical power supply network. We will lead domestic and foreign distribution system field based on accumulated experience and technology through engineering, procurement, construction, and management. In many parts of the world, Sangyang E&C has built high-end hotel with 13,000 rooms, hospitals, intelligent building, and luxury housing. It is the #1 company in terms of overseas high-end construction. Sangyang E&C is establishing various social infrastructures, including larger gear plants in the world. Sangyang E&C, which has also made great achievements in the electric sector, this committed to provide electricity to continuous technology, innovation in the power transmission line sector, which is the foundation for convenient life and national development.